Easy nice boy, Master G, and I'm here with another review of another pair of the RST S1 boots. These are a replacement pair. I bought a pair off of eBay. They were sent out. Unfortunately, the slider on the right boot popped off. I tried to get it back on, but the fastener had seized onto the bolt and you couldn't get the bolt out, which then ended up tearing up the leather on the boot. So they sent out replacement ones. I'd messaged the seller asking if they could make sure that there wasn't the same defect on these. They sent these ones out, and unfortunately it's got the same problem. I don't know if it'll pick it up, but you can see there's like no pressure on the plastic, but on this one it's gouging into the plastic, so it's been torqued too much, and then with the pressure on the plastic, it just pops off, and then you're left with the bolt stuck in the fastener and the boots are ruined. You can't replace it. Unfortunately, this is the second pair that have had the same problem. Before buying them, I saw that there was a pair on eBay that had the same issue, so it looks to be like a reoccurring fault. Probably in the manufacturing side, like I said, it's just being torqued too much or something. But another thing that I noticed on my replacement pair, these look as if they've already been damaged and repaired. It looks like there's a slit here and it's been glued and painted. There's other signs of wear. There's also dirt on the bottom of them. So, like, I feel as if I've been mugged off with some repaired boots as free boots. As some new boots. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend it just in case you get a couple of bust pairs of boots. Other than that, I'd say that they look the part in that. So it's a shame. Anyway, I hope this is useful information. Peace.